All right, welcome back. So it's been a little while since I've done a video. It's not that I haven't wanted to. It's just I've been extremely busy with work, and everything else just kind of had to take a back seat. But hey, I'm finally caught up now. I'm back at it. We've got the AOD on a stand. It's ready to clean, inspect, go through. I'm in the process now of tearing down and inspecting engine number 3 right here. But anyway, I just want to take a minute and just tell you what it was that we were working on at work, because I think it's kind of neat. We had a 66 Chevy 2, and if you saw the short video I did on removing the emergency brake cable, and I did another video on safety wiring a pair of Willwood rotors, those were for that car. What it was 66 Chevy 2's original paint. It got a lot of stuff from Detroit Speed. It got mini tubs, their 4-link kit, their subframe connectors, their front subframe. It got an LS3 with the Borla 8-stack injection with the Tremec 6-speed, the Magnum, and obviously Willwood brakes. Forge line OE1 wheels. Anyway, pretty cool car. And when TMI Interiors heard about what we were doing, they wanted to be a part of it, and they actually donated the interior. But the catch was we had to have the car at the Good Guys show in Columbus, Ohio, to be in their booth. So we had a hard deadline we had to meet, and so there was a lot of late nights, a lot of working 7 days a week, and that's been going on for a while now. But anyway, we made the show, and like I said, I'm caught up now, so now I'm free to do this. I wasn't able to take any video or anything like that when I was at the show, sadly. But I was really working, man, and I just didn't. We had a few customers that were there, and just, I really spent the entire weekend with them, and there just wasn't a lot of time for me just to roam around and shoot video and stuff. But on the last day, when they were shutting everything down, I was able to make it over to the swap meet, and I was looking for some body hammers actually, and I ran across this ball peen hammer for $3, and which it didn't look like this when I got it, but and you'll see what it looked like whenever I picked it up. I know this video isn't anything special, but I mean, I think it's kind of cool to find old tools and refurbish them and give them a new life. Anyway, here it is. So I scored this hammer at a swap meet at the Good Guys car show in Columbus, Ohio for $3. It appears that the head was blue and that the handle at one time was red. See what we can do with it. So I just took my die grinder with an 80 grit disc, and I got all the dings and stuff out of it and kind of reestablished that chamfered edge. Next, I'm going to take one of these surface conditioning discs. I'm going to go over that, smooth it up, make it look better. All right, after going over it with the surface conditioning disc, you can see it looks a lot better. I'll end up going back and DAing that with some finer grits and then polishing it. I'm going to stop on the head right now, and I'm going to concentrate on the handle. Okay, so I have no idea the proper way of cleaning this handle. I've got some Murphy oil soap. I'm going to try that with some 00 steel wool and see what happens. Okay, so already that's a significant improvement. The handle has a lot of texture. I really want to keep the texture. I do want to get all this red off, but I don't want to get too aggressive with sanding. So I'm going to take something real fine for wood anyway, like a 320, and just kind of go over it and get all this red paint off, and then we'll see what it looks like. So sanded over it with 320 and then sprayed it back down with the Murphy's, and man, that's a lot better. I mean, some of the red is still there in the grain, but I mean, I know it's not all going to come out, and that's fine. I can live with that. I just wanted the majority of it off. So I'm going to let this dry overnight, and I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but we'll see. All right, so I got the hammerhead taped up, and now I'm just going to apply some dark walnut stain. This is the same stain that I used to do the work table, so if you saw that video, you know about how it's going to look. All right, I'm going to give that about 15 minutes, and then I'll wipe it off. All right, the handle's stained. I've got some How-Tos Danish oil that I'm going to put on it. I was going to buy some linseed oil, but I mean, I've already got this, so I figure I'm just going to try that. And hopefully I'm not screwing up. All right, here it is. Not too bad for a $3 hammer. I think it turned out pretty good. All right, so that's going to wrap this up. If you want to see some more on the Chevy 2, TMI did a pretty nice write-up about it. They did a photo shoot while we was there in Columbus. I'll put a link to that in the description. Anyway, see you in the next one. All right, welcome back. So it's been a little...